Hello students, Jai Shri Swaminarayan. In previous video, we solved up to the question number 12. So now in this video, we start with question number 13. Okay, so first of all, read this question. A die is thrown once. A die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting. First question is a prime number. Second question, a number lying between 2 and 6, and third one is an odd number. Okay, so first of all, if we throw a dice, then how many possible outcomes are there? So total outcomes, how many outcomes are possible? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, right? Because there are 6 numbers are there on the dice, on its 6 faces, right? So total 6 possible outcomes are there. That means if we throw a dice, then 6 possibilities are there, either 1, either 2, either 3, either 4, either 5, otherwise 6 will come. So that 6 possibilities are written here. Now we need to find the probability of, first one is prime number. Second one is a number lying between 2 and 6, and third one is an odd number. Okay, so first of all we need to find the probability for prime number. Okay, so first of all, how many prime numbers are there? So prime numbers, how many prime numbers are there in 1 to 6? Prime numbers start with the 2, 3 and 5, right? These 3 numbers are prime numbers, 2, 3 and 5. Prime number, it means a number is divided only by 1 and itself. Okay, it is called prime number. So prime number 2, 3 and 5. Right, now we can find the probability. We just give the event A here. So probability of event A. Now here we need to think about the two things: total outcomes and favorable outcomes, right? Total outcomes is same for all these 3 equations. It is a 6 because there is 6 possibilities are there, right? So n is equal to 6. That means our denominator is equal to 6. What is the formula of probability? M by n. M, that means favorable outcomes, n means total outcomes. So total outcomes is equal to 6. Total 6 possibilities are there. That's why. So total outcomes remains same for all these questions. Okay. Now favorable outcomes. Here we want to find the probability of prime number. Right. Here we want to find the probability of prime number. So how many prime numbers are there? It becomes our favorable outcomes. Okay. Here our numerator m, favorable outcomes. कितने हैं? So 3, 2, 3 and 5. So total 3 prime numbers are there. So m is equal to 3. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. 3 prime numbers are there. So 3. Now probability, favorable outcomes 3 divided by total number of outcomes 6. 3 by 6. Okay, favorable outcomes 3 divided by total number of outcomes is 6. Now 3 2s are 6. So final answer is 1 divided by 2. Here nothing is there, so 1 divided by 2, so 1 by 2. Okay. After that, second internal question, a number lying between 2 and 6. A number lying between 2 and 6. So our favorable outcomes. Now how many numbers are lying between 2 and 6? 3, 4 and 5. Right? we do not need to consider 2 and 6, only a number lying between 2 and 6. So we do not need to consider 2 and 6. So 3, 4, 5. In between 2 and 6, we have 3 numbers, 3, 4, 5. So our favorable outcomes M is equal to 3, because we want to find the probability of a number lying between 2 and 6. So in between we have 3 numbers. So our favorable outcomes is 3. And total number of outcomes, it remains same. N is equal to 6. Right? So probability of event B, that means a number lying between 2 and 6. Favorable outcomes 3 divided by total number of outcomes, it remains same, 6. Again 3 2s are, nothing is remaining in numerator, so 1 divided by 2. Okay. After that, number 3, an odd number. An odd number. So how many odd numbers are there? Here 1, 3 and 5 odd numbers. Right, in 1 to 6 we have 3 odd number, 1, 3, 5. So again our favorable outcomes is equal to 3. 1, 2, 3. Total 3 numbers are odd numbers. So n is equal to 3. Okay, we need to count this number. That means how many odd numbers are there? So 3 odd numbers are there. So n is equal to 3. Okay. So here our n is equal to 3. Now we just need to find the probability. So P of C. We just give the event C. So favorable outcomes, it is 3 divided by total number of outcomes, it is 6. So again 3 by 6. 3 2s are, nothing is remaining. So 1 divided by 2. So in all these 3 events we get the same answer, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 it means half are the prime numbers. That means out of 6, 3 prime number, 3 composite number. Here number lying between 2 and 6, 3 number, and 3 not lying between 2 and 6. Odd number, 3 odd numbers, 3 even numbers. Okay. After that, question number 14. So first of all, read the question number 14. Our question number 14 is, one card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. One card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king of red color, second a face card, third one is a red face card, fourth one is the jack of hearts, fifth one is a spade, sixth one is the queen of diamonds. Okay, total 6 internal questions are there. So total number of cards 52. That means our total outcomes 52. Right? Because it is already written a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. So 52 cards are there. So our n is equal to 52. Total number of outcomes is equal to 52. Now we need to find the probability. King of red color, then a face card, then a red face card, then the jack of hearts, then a spade, then the queen of diamonds, so here we need to find this first probability. First of all, we just need to get the knowledge about 52 playing cards. Okay, so total 52 cards are there. In that 4 patterns are there. In that four patterns are there: diamond, heart, spade and club. Okay, total four patterns are there, and in that total 13 cards are there. That means 13 cards are of diamond, 13 cards are of heart, 13 cards are of spade, 13 cards are of club. Okay, so one by one I will show you all the cards. So first of all, let's start with the heart. Heart, that you know the shape, right? So it is similar like heart and red color heart, right? That's why it is called heart. So you can see here total 13 cards are there. The first one is like A, it is called S. Okay, that A is called S. After that 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then Jack. Okay, then Jack. After that Queen, and after that King. Okay, one King is that, Jack Rajkumar and Queen Rajkumari, right? So first of all, A for S, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Jack, Queen, King. Okay, one more thing here. How many face cards are there? Face card, that means we can see the face. Face card, that means card in which we can see the face. So if you look at this, then here three face cards are there: Jack, Queen and King. We can see the face of Jack, Queen and King only, so that three are called face card. Okay, this is the heart. After that, diamond shape. Okay, now this is the diamond shape. In that, same cards are there, but pattern is different. Okay, in first cards there is a heart pattern. Now here diamond pattern, diamond. Okay, what is the shape of diamond? So that's why this is called diamond. In that even, first one is S, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After that, Jack, Queen, King. Okay. Again, first one is S of diamond shape. Again, if we want to see the face card, so total three face card we have: Jack, Queen and King. Jack, it is for J, so it is represented by J. Queen, Q. Okay, what is the first letter of Queen? It is Q, and for King, K. So again, 13 cards are of diamond shape. Okay, now if you look at both this pattern together, then in both this pattern we have red color. Right, in diamond shape even red color is there, and in heart shape even red color is there. One more thing, here we have 13 cards of diamond shape and 13 cards of heart shape, right? And but if we talk about the color, then total we have 26 cards of red color. Okay, 26 cards are there of red color. Okay, after that our third pattern, club. Okay, club. So this is the pattern of club. Here even, first of all, S, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Jack, Queen and King. Okay, how many face cards are there? Again 3, Jack, Queen and King. Total 13 cards are there of club pattern. Okay, and at last our fourth pattern is spade. Okay, this is spade pattern. Here even S, after that 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Jack, Queen, King. Okay, again if you talk about the face card, then Jack, Queen and King are three face cards we have here. We can see the face of Jack, Queen and King. So that three face card we have here, right? And if you look at both this pattern together, club and spade. So in both this pattern we have same color. black color, right? So 26 cards are there of black color, spade and club together. Okay. Total how many cards we have? 52. So in that 52 cards, we have 4 pattern and each pattern have 13 cards. So 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus 13, 52. So 13 cards are of spade, 13 cards are of club, 13 cards are of heart and 13 cards are of diamond. Okay. In that 26 cards have same color, red color, and other 26 cards have same color, black color. Okay. And in that, if we think about the face card, so these are the face card. Okay. In heart we have 3 face cards, in spade we have 3 cards, in diamond we have 3 cards, and in club we have 3 cards, jack, queen and king. And if you think about the one personal card, that means if you think about the S, so total you have 4 S. In all these 4 pattern you have one S. So total you have 4 S. Total you have 4 jack. Total you have 4 queen. Total you have 4 king. Total you have 4 times 6. Right? So all the cards are repeated 4 times in different pattern. So these are our 52 cards. Now from that we just need to write the answer of this. Okay. Now first of all we just want to find the probability of a king of red color. King of red color. So total how many kings are there of red color? It becomes our favorable outcomes. Well, how many kings of red color? So 2. 1 king it is in heart shape and 1 king it is in diamond shape. So total 2 kings we have of red color, right? In diamond 1 king and in heart 1 king. So how many kings of red color? 2. So this is our favorable outcomes. Now probability favorable outcomes 2 divided by total possibility, total outcomes, it is 52. So 2 by 52. Okay, favorable by total 2 by 52. Now here we can simplify this, right? 2 into 26. So 1 upon 26 is our answer, right? Because 26 2s are 52. So nothing is remaining in numerator, so 1 and in denominator 26. Okay. After that, our second probability. Now here, our favorable outcomes and face card. How many face card we have? We already discussed about it, right? How many face card we have? In each pattern we have 3 face card. So total we have 12 face card. Because in all the 4 pattern we have 3 face card. Jack, queen and king, right? So jack, queen, king of red heart, jack, queen and king of diamond, jack, queen and king of spade, and jack, queen and king of club. So total we have 12 face cards. So favorable outcomes is 12 for this question. Okay. Now probability of second question. Here our favorable outcomes is 12 divided by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes 52. So 12 by 52. Okay. We can simplify it. 4 3s are 12 and 13 4s are 52. So 4 4 cut. In numerator 3 and in denominator 13. So 3 by 13. Okay. After that, question number 3. A red face card. A red face card. So total how many red face card we have? First of all, face card, and in that red color face card. Now if we think about the red face card, then in red color we have 2 patterns, heart and diamond. In heart we have 3 face card, and in diamond we have 3 face card, jack, queen and king. So total we have 6 face card, right? In diamond shape we have jack, queen and king, and in heart shape we have jack, queen and king. So total 6 face card we have of red color. So favorable outcomes is 6. Now we can write the probability. So favorable outcomes 6 divided by total number of outcomes 52. So 6 divided by 52. So 6 by 52. Here 3 twos are and here 26 twos are. So 2 to cut. Numerator 3 and in denominator 26. So 3 by 26. This is the probability of red face card. Okay, 3 by 26. After that, the jack of hearts. The jack of hearts. So how many jack we have of heart pattern? In heart pattern we have only one jack, right? Jack of heart. So in heart we have only one jack. So our favorable outcome is 1, right? In heart pattern we have only one jack. So here our jack of heart, it is only 1. So our favorable outcome is 1 here. Now we can write the probability. So probability of event D is equal to now favorable outcomes. Now favorable outcomes, it is 1 here, right? Favorable outcomes 1 divided by total number of outcomes. Here favorable outcomes 1 divided by total number of outcomes 52. So 1 upon 52. So probability of jack of hearts is 1 upon 52. Okay, after that, question number 5, spade. So total how many spade we have? So in spade we have 13 cards, right? As 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, jack, queen and king. So total 13 cards we have of spade pattern. So our favorable outcomes is 13, right? Because we have 13 cards in spade pattern. So here our favorable outcomes is 13. So what is the probability? Now favorable outcomes, it is in numerator. So 13 divided by total number of outcomes 52. Okay, a spade, we have 13 cards in spade pattern. So numerator favorable outcomes 13 divided by total number of outcomes 52. Now here we can give the simplification because 13 fours are 52, right? 13 fours are 52. So in numerator nothing is there, so 1 divided by 4. Okay. Now at last, the queen of diamonds. The queen of diamonds. So total how many queens are there in diamond pattern? Only one queen, right? In diamond pattern we have 13 cards, in that only one queen is there. So here our favorable outcomes n is equal to 1, right? Queen of diamond, we have only one queen of diamond, so n is equal to 1. Now for probability, our favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Favorable outcomes is equal to 1 divided by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes, it is 52. So 1 upon 52. Okay. Here we cannot give any simplification. So this is the answer of probability of queen of diamonds. So first of all we need to have the knowledge about playing cards. After that we can write the answer of this questions. Okay, after that, question number 15. First of all, read the question. 5 cards, then 10, jack, queen, king and ace of diamonds are well shuffled with their face downwards. one card is then picked up at random, what is the probability that the card is queen? Okay, and second question, if the queen is drawn and put aside, what is the probability that the second card pick up is an S and a queen? So in first question, how many cards are there? 5 cards. Total outcomes. Out in that 5 cards, 10, Jack, Queen, King, and S. Right? And we need to find the probability for Queen. Okay, we need to find the probability for Queen. Then second question. Here, if the queen is drawn and put aside, so here, if queen is drawn, that means queen is taken from these 5 cards. So now total how many cards are there? Only 4, because queen is already taken, right? In second question, if the queen is drawn, that means if we take the queen from here, so total how many cards are remaining? Only 4. It is 10, Jack, King, and S. Right? Because queen is already taken. So now, what is the probability for an S? That means if you pick one card and it is S, we need to find the probability for S. And second question, we need to find the probability for a queen. Okay, so here we have 2 different questions. First of all, here total 5 cards are there of diamond shape, only 5 cards. We do not need to take the 52 cards, only 5 cards we have of diamond shape, 10, Jack, Queen, King, S. So here our total outcomes n is equal to 5. Right? Here our total outcomes n is equal to 5. Now we need to find the probability for queen. Okay? So first of all we need to find the favorable outcomes. Right? So for favorable outcomes, how many queens are there? How many queens are there? Only 1. Right? We have only 1 queen. So our favorable outcome is equal to 1. Okay? First of all, total number of outcomes, so 10, Jack, Queen, King, S, 5. Out of that favorable outcome, Queen, only 1 queen we have here, so favorable outcome 1. So we need to find the probability for this event. Favorable outcome 1 divided by total number of outcomes 5, so 1 by 5. So probability for Queen, it is 1 by 5. Okay, now second question. Now second question, here it is written that queen is drawn, that means queen is taken. So total how many outcomes we have? 10, Jack, King, and S, because queen is not there. So now our total outcomes is equal to 4. Now we have only 4 outcomes. Now from that we need to find the probability for S. Now from that we need to find the probability of S. Right? So now favorable outcome. How many S are there? How many S is there in the total outcomes? Only 1 S is there. So our favorable outcome is 1. Right? Here we have only 1 S. So our favorable outcome n is equal to 1. Okay? Now probability for S. Favorable outcome 1, total outcomes 4, so 1 by 4. So probability for S it is 1 by 4. Okay. Now in that second equation B, this for queen. Now we need to find the probability for queen. So our total outcomes here again 4 cards are there. 10, Jack, King, and S. Okay. Again 4 cards are there. So total outcomes n is equal to 4. We need to find the favorable outcomes m. So total how many twin we have? Total how many twin we have? Here we do not have any twin because twin is already taken, right? So here we do not have twin. So m is equal to 0. Our favorable outcomes is 0. Here we do not have twin, right? Because it is already taken, so we need to remove it. So total number of outcomes 4 and favorable outcomes 0, because here we do not have twin. Now the probability for this event, favorable outcome 0 divided by total number of outcomes 4. So 0 divided by 4, it is 0. So probability for twin in this case is 0. Okay? So students, if you have any doubt in this question, please write down in comment section. I will give you the answer. Okay? Thank you.